In any journey of learning, whether it's yoga, life, or anything, we open our heart to. What we really seek is connections, not just a connection with knowledge, but with the person beside us, with the teacher, with the students, with the spirit that silently unite us both. True learning doesn't happen alone. It blossoms when there is a trust, respect, shared effort, and mutual uplift. And that's exactly what this beautiful mantra holds space for. Namaste and welcome to this session. Here we are going to learn about the beginning mantra. This mantra is from Taittiriya. The mantra is Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanao Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. This mantra often chanted at the beginning of a yoga sessions or normal classes. When we say Om Sahana Vavatu, we are asking that both the teacher and students be protected, that the space between them be safe, gentle, supportive, because learning can make you vulnerable. It can bring up our insecurities, our doubts. In those moments, we need shelter, not just physically but emotionally and spiritually too. Sahanao Bhunaktu means may we be nourished together, and that nourishment is not just from food or breath but from knowledge, from experience, from the subtle joy of shared growth. We often forget that the teacher also learns when a student learns. Growth is never one sided, it's a circular, shared, alive. The next line Sahaviryam Karavavahe. Ask for the strength and courage to walk the path with energy, with sincerity, and with resilience, because the yogic journey is not always easy. It requires showing up even on the days we don't feel like it. It means trusting the process, trusting each other, and doing the work with commitment, not alone but together. Tejasvina Vadhit Mastu is a wish that the knowledge we gain be filled with light. It doesn't just remain words or techniques, but become wisdom, that what we learn shines in us and through us, making us brighter, calmer, and more conscious human beings. Real learning should transform us, not just inform us. And lastly, Ma Vidvishavahe. May we not hate each other. May we not let misunderstanding, ego, or judgment come in the way of this sacred relationship, because that's what often blocks knowledge, not a lack of intelligence but a lack of harmony. This line reminds us the purpose of learning is never to separate but to unite, never to dominate but to uplift. This mantra is especially powerful in a yoga class where different personalities comes together, each carrying their own story, their own pace, and their own way of understanding. By chanting this, we create invisible thread that ties us all in intention, in respect, in unity. And beyond the mat, this mantra holds a message for daily life too. In our families, friendships, teams, communities, what if we begin every collaborations, every conversations, every shared project with this prayer? What if we saw each other as a person, not as an opponent, not as a someone to impress or outshine, but as a fellow traveler? That's the magic of this mantra. It's not just an ancient Sanskrit, it's a living wisdom. It teaches us how to learn, how to grow, and how to walk together with gentleness, with effort, with shared life. So, when you chant this before your class or practice, close your eyes and feel the presence of your teacher, your students, your guides, and even those you have never met. Imagine your journey connects with theirs. not as a competitions, but as a companionship. Let your heart soften, your breath deepen, and your mind open. Because the real learning begins not just with answers, but with unity. And that is what this mantra beautifully, soulfully invite us into. Thanks.